Did you know the average American woman says that 21% of her closet is unwearable and that she hasn't worn 12% of her clothes? 33% have clothes that are too tight, and 24% have clothes that are too loose. 10% of women are depressed each time they open the closet, and 1 in 4 say their closet's disorganized. And 44% report they can't find an item in their closet at least once a month. 1 in 9 women have been late to work because they couldn't find anything to wear. 57% say having an organized closet would make finding what they want easier and faster. 3 in 10 say it would make their mornings less stressful. Come join us Saturday, June 25th. We're going to teach you how to declutter your closet and organize it and come up with easy solutions and a plan to take action. Our goal is to save you time, reduce your stress, and get you motivated. We're also going to be sharing tips on clearing emotional clutter by loving yourself no matter what the scale says. Find more information from the link below.